Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm going to do the FabFitFun Winter Unboxing. I am so excited for this box. If you watched my last video, I will link it up above for the fall one. I was a little disappointed in how they kind of had their system run. It was the first time you could pick everything out individually from the box, and I didn't have certain items that I picked out. So I was super frustrated and disappointed with the whole kind of annual members can pick out and fully customize their box. So I'm hoping and praying that I have everything in this box that I picked out. I did add 2 items to this box, so hopefully they're in it. Normally this box kind of comes in a bigger box with the extra items on top. Everything supposedly this time is in this box, so we will see how this goes. So let's get into it. This is unsponsored. I pay for the annual membership. This time every year my husband is like, what did you buy extra from FabFitFun? And I have to remind him that is the annual subscription, and it comes out November every year as like a Christmas gift to myself. But let's get into this. So inside, I love these boxes. I highly recommend you guys save them. If you have any kind of Christmas parties or things like that, these are perfect to kind of have your casserole or dessert dish, and easy to store and bring with you that way. Little pamphlet that comes in here. It used to have like all the items and their prices and what you could have picked for the customization. Now what they did last time was change it up. It does look like they have some recipes in here for some spiked oat milk hot chocolate, thumbprint cookies, and kind of how to use different items in here, but they don't have like all of the customizations and things like that. You can use the QR code for that. So I will kind of have, if I can find what you could have picked for those items right here, but let's just get into the box and what specifically came to me. You always get all these coupons and coupon codes, normally for like a wine service, HelloFresh. There's a whole bunch of random junk in here. Don't normally do anything with those. So the 2 items that I purchased extra is the ankle weights, and then there's should be an Apple Watch band in here. So let's just pull out and see what I got. So the first thing here is something I do remember purchasing, and I did get, I believe I got this for an add-on on a previous box, but these are the Lily Pulitzer ceramic mugs, and I just used mine yesterday for my coffee. I love these things. If you have been following me here on my channel, you know my obsession with Lily Pulitzer, and I love these mugs. I got them, like I said, I think maybe this time or fall last year, but I just got a mini Keurig for my kitchen, and I have been using my mugs a lot more. I used to just use it for hot chocolate, but definitely have been using it for coffee now. So I have the same color ones downstairs, but this is, I believe, the Swizzle, and this is what that looks like. And it says XOXO Lily on it. Has a gold detail. I love the blue. It matches my kitchen. My kitchen is like a blue white. So you get 2 of these, and definitely my aesthetic. I love Lily Pulitzer cups, and now I have 2 more matching cups to the one I already have downstairs. The next thing here, I have got a couple of these from FabFitFun before. These are the Unhide for Love Not For blankets, and this one I specifically picked out for my sister, so if you're watching, you know what you're getting. But this is in the color Rose, and it's kind of like a pinky purple kind of color right there. I love these. I have 2 of these around my house, and I figured this one would be really great to give as a gift. I don't believe I really liked any of the other customizations, and I really do like this blanket, so I am giving that to her for Christmas. And super soft, really nice blanket. The next thing here is from Briogeo. This is the Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection Heat Protectant, and I am obsessed with heat protectants. Right now I'm using the Kenra Blow Dry Spray, and that is a spray, but my nozzle is not working, so I kind of spray it on a hairbrush to put it on like my hair. But a cream is always nice too. I'm currently finishing up the L'Oreal one, so once I finish that one up, I will use this one. Briogeo is more cruelty-free and more natural ingredients. I'm not honestly a big fan of majority of their products, but this one is something new. I will give a try. Then we have earrings from Kate Spade. I always love stud earrings. Right now I'm just wearing, I think these are Bauble Bar pearl hoop earrings I got from a FabFitFun box in the past, but I love pearl earrings and stud earrings. I believe I may have got a similar kind of set in a previous box, but you can never have too many stud earrings, especially the classic pearl and diamondness of it. Love these. I don't normally do anything with the little bag. It's cute, but I kind of just store it in my jewelry drawer in my dresser, but really excited for those. And then I believe these are the ankle weights. Yes, this is from Corral. And now that I am about 8-9 weeks postpartum, I've definitely been working out more, so I saw these and I definitely wanted to grab them. They come in their own little bag, and this is what they look like. So what I like most about these, and there's another one in the bag, but what I like most about these is it is kind of that softer material, kind of feels like sandbags in there, and then it has the Velcro, if I can find how to unvelcro it. Here we go. So you can use these as ankle weights, you can use them as wrist weights as well for walking, things like that. So I thought this might be a good addition to add to my gym equipment. My husband can use them too. I know these are like pinky purple kind of girly colors, but a nice addition to just kind of enhance your workout. I like to do a lot of workouts at home. I used to do Blogilates, and there was one other girl that I did her workout. So excited to play with those and work out with them, add a little bit more weight and difficulty to my workout. Then we got the new addition that I also paid for. Now, if you guys have been following me for long, you know I have this pinky blue kind of Lolo Pulitzer watch band, and I got this from Amazon, and this is like my favorite kind of color. See if you can see that right there, but it is getting, as you can see, very faded and old. So when I saw that they had this in the storefront, I definitely grabbed it. It's definitely more of a blue color. This is in Swizzle Out, which I believe might be the same as the teacups. But this one, like I said, is just getting so raggedy and old. So let's go ahead and switch this out now. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So that is the new band. There is what I used to use. So definitely faded and not to the extent that it was. I'll show you guys probably on Instagram if you haven't been following me. I am Lizzie Loves on Instagram, and I just share a bunch of random things with you here and there. A lot of gift guides coming up, so check that out, but really excited for that. Then from Barefoot Scientist, this is, I believe, the foot buffer. It says dual-sided foot file. And definitely in the wintertime, pedicures are needed, and just a little extra scrub is needed. So I did pick this one out. It has a bumpy side that is pretty rough, and then a smooth side. So it says a pedicure file and then a pour pedicure, and then it has like the directions how to do it. I have not done something like this at home personally, so I'm excited to try that out. Then there's a little guy in here. This is from Aesthetica. It's the liquid eyeliner in black. So if you guys have been following me, you know I like to use my Stila Stay All Day liquid eyeliner. So it's on my eyes now, and I compare it with, like, in a battle style with other liquid eyeliners. So I will definitely be giving this one a go against that one very soon, so stay tuned for that one. I saw these and I had to grab them. These are hot cocoa bombs, and I thought this would be something fun to do with my toddler. So this is a silicone mold. They have like spirals and then the plain ones, so the top and the bottom. And it's food grade. This is from Benakai. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe, all that kind of stuff. So I will find a recipe and different things to do with this. I think this would be so fun to do with your toddler. Mine is about 3.5, so such a fun Christmas activity to do with him. And then the last thing that is in this box is from Vitamasseuse, which is the Cranberry Apple Probiotic Repair. And these are 3 sheet masks. So they're supposed to be made with apple, cranberry extract, vitamin C, peptides, prebiotics, probiotics. So we will give these a go. I picked this out. I thought that would be perfect for winter time. But that is everything for this winter FabFitFun box. I am so excited with all the products that I received. I think maybe the lowest on the list is the Briogeo heat protectant, but even that is something I definitely use. I think everything in this box I will use and have a good time using. So I'm really excited that I did continue my subscription. I feel like that's normally what happens, and it's like that fall box is, I have such high hopes for. Something normally always happens, and I have like a playlist if you guys are interested. But this box, I'm so happy that I continued on with it and got all these products. So let me know what you guys got in your box, or what you're picking out for your winter box this season, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that